You can send notes to your TI-84 Evo using a web browser and a USB cable. Here's an example, a biology study guide. Start by plugging your calculator into your computer with a USB cable, and make sure it's turned on. Click the link in the description to open the notes page. Give your note a name, like biology, then type your notes into the box, or paste them in from a document. The preview shows them the way the calculator will, and any line you start with a hashtag comes out as a blue heading. Now click Send to Calculator, pick the TI-84 Evo in the pop-up, and hit Connect. A few seconds later, your notes are on the calculator. Over on the calculator, press the Program key. If you don't see Python app in this menu, the guide for reinstalling it is linked in the description. Arrow down to Python app and press Enter. And there's your notes program, called Biology. Press Enter to open it. The up and down arrows scroll one line at a time, and the left and right arrows move a page at a time. Press Clear to close your notes. That's it. More TI-84 Evo tutorials at calcplex.com.